Meanwhile, National Security Minister Robert Montague has confirmed that soldiers are pulling out of the Zone of Special Operations, ZOZO, in Denham Town, Kingston. But he was quick to point out that this is not due to any fallout. TVJ's Shamila Mitchell reports.
Less security personnel in the Zone of Special Operations in Denham Town has led some residents to speculate that the zone is coming to an end. But Minister of National Security, Robert Montague, declared Thursday that the ZOZO remains in place.
The ZOZO has many phases, and one of the phases, you have the clear, you have the hold, and you have the build phase. And I think they are transitioning now into the hold phase because we have done the clearance.
But it's not all clear given the recent upheaval in the area. There are concerns that warring gangs will likely pick up where they left off before the zone was established last year, causing more bloodshed and mayhem. It's a scary thought for residents and a reality that the minister says he's aware of.
You may even have to go back to a whole phase depending on the environment because it's a dynamic process and the security forces are best able to treat with that process and to make those decisions. The government, as the policy directive, will support the security forces.
Mr. Montague continues to tout the success of the ZOZO, although acknowledging that there is still room for improvement.
But we must say that the police have, in recent weeks, stepped up to the plate. They have been very visible out on the streets and they have been conducting a number of targeted raids across the island in pursuit of wanted persons. As a matter of fact, since July of last year, on our most wanted list, an audit was done, and some 21 persons have been taken off the list over the period.
While the operations in Denham Town are being scaled down, it's understood that the authorities are getting ready to declare another zone. Shamila Mitchell, TVJ News.